Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. And a bit of an update on Floki is necessary, excuse me, because the price, I would say overall, is still at the same area. And I must say that does make technical analysis a little bit more, a little bit easier, I would say. I mean, my thoughts on Floki right now are quite easy to understand, I would say. But apart from that, I also know that Floki, and there's some things I wanted to say about Floki, because I know that there's a tight community of Floki holders and traders and lovers around the channel. And I've always said this, or at least I've not, well, always said this. I said this in the past, and I think Floki is doing great. All right, yesterday we had some great news about a burn. I think in general, burns are a little bit of non-news. I don't care so much about them. Yesterday, maybe they actually provided some more bullish momentum. That's a possibility. I also saw something with Revolut. But in general, all that news comes down to one thing, and that's something I've said for months, and I think I said that last year as well. When you talk about meme coins and when you want to find the optimal meme coin to actually invest in, I always think Floki has been one of the best ones. And some of you might remember that I said that last year. But the thing is that Floki is actually building stuff, all right? If you look at the other meme coins, they're great, all right? They're great as in that they're great memes and that there's a good community around them. But with Floki, the community actually has some substance, all right? Because Floki is building stuff. And I'm not sure if I can show you this because it's on my other monitor. But let me try. Can you see this? Yes, you can. All right. So if you look at, for example, this, things are building with the Valhalla launch, but also staking as a service, the Flokify. Those are real products, right? Real products that you can use, or at least that you can use, that are usable. So in general, like I said, Floki is actually providing utility. They have some great market makers, great backing. So therefore, I think Floki as a long-term opportunity could be good. I mean, the market cap already is quite high, of course, but all right. So let's get into the short-term expectation for Floki, or short-term prediction, whatever you want to call it. Right now, Floki is bullish, all right? I don't think that's, I mean, I think most of you will agree with me on that. If you look at this, we have a very sharp uptrend right here. But we also, if you zoom out a bit, we had a consolidation here, broke above that with momentum, got a retest last night, held that. Markets are still relatively bullish. So I see no reason to be bearish on Floki. Now, does that necessarily mean you need to buy Floki and that Floki will rally? I don't know. All right, yesterday we also had quite a bit of a sell-off. After that bullish momentum, or while the bullish momentum was going on, we had a sell-off. Now, most of that was bought up, so I would say that's a bullish divergence. If you look at the open interest right here, and then the price, that held up very well. There's a divergence. I would say a bullish divergence, but it's always a bit hard to say whether they're bullish or bearish. So that's good, but right now the momentum is kind of down. All right, so what we're waiting for is that momentum to rally again. Do I think it's most likely that will happen? Yes. But if we talk about the technicals for Floki, I can make it very easy. And this might even be too easy. Some of you might not like it. But the way I view Floki right now is that we have a major support level right here at 20,000. That's our support. And a major resistance level at 22,500. Just wait for the breakout. All right, right now we're kind of stuck here in the middle. And I would say that it's most likely that we'll just consolidate here in the middle until we get a breakout. And for that breakout, I would just wait for the confirmation. So either a 4-hour candle close above 22,500. Or a 4-hour candle close below 20,000. And if that happens, you have confirmation, you know what to expect, and then you can talk about taking a trade, etc. And which one of these do I think is most likely? It's, of course, consolidation and then bullish breakout, for all the reasons I've just given you. The bullish divergence, the markets, and Floki in general. So I do expect it to continue to rally, but right now, like I said, the momentum is kind of down. So there's nothing I can give you right now that says we're going to break out soon. I think a bullish breakout is most likely with these circumstances, but when, it's difficult to know. That's why I tell you, wait for a breakout above that specific level. But that's what I think you need to know. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.